Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave presentation. Today we are going to discuss about rate analysis for excavation and backfilling, which is to be done manually. In this presentation, I am covering the following subject: excavation for foundation in earth, soil of all type, sand, gravel, and soft mud. Then for every additional lift of 1.5 meter, the labor expenditure. Excavation in foundation for a hard muram, excavation for foundation in a hard muram with boulders, excavation for a soft rock and old foundation, excavation for foundation in hard rock by blasting, excavation in hard rock by chiseling, excavation in hard rock by controlled blasting, removing the debris from the site to a distance of 10 km, dewatering excavated trenches using water pumps, filling using approved excavated muram, filling using contractor's muram, providing rubble soling, spreading and hand packing rubble soling, JAMA brickwork soling, earthwork for reclamation. So let us now go about excavation and foundation and rock. This is up to a lift of 1.5 meter. Labor rate per cubic meter will be 75 rupees. The amount is 75. Add GST, that is 18 percentage, is 13 rupees 50 paise. Sundries 2 percentage 1.77. Contingency 3 percentage will be 2.71. Plant and tools 1.5 percentage will be 1.39. Overhead and profit will be 15 percentage will be 14.16. Hence the total labor cost is 188 rupees 53 paise per cubic meter. If you want to lift it up for so if you go below 1.5 meter, you have to lift it up further. For that, what will be the labor rate? Labor rate per cubic meter will be 25 rupees. GST 4 rupees 50 paise. Then sundry is 2 percentage 0.59. Contingencies 3 percentage 90 paise. Plant and tools 1.5 percentage will be 0.46. Overhead and profit 15 percentage will be 4.72, which will make the rate as per cubic meter will be 36.18. Excavation in a hard muram up to 1.5 meter. Labor rate per cubic meter is 63 rupees. GST 18 percentage 11.34. Others, sundries. Sundries matlab, some unwanted, unexpected expenditure. 2 percentage will be cost you 1 rupees 49 paise. Contingency 3 percentage will be 2.27. Plants and tools 1.5 percentage 1.17. Overhead and profit 15 percentage 11.89. So rate per cubic meter for excavation in hard muram will be 91.16. Then for additional lift, what will be the cost? Labor rate per cubic meter will be 45 rupees. GST 18% for a labor, 8 rupees 10 paise. Sundries 2 percentage 1.06. Contingency 3 percentage will be 1.62. Plants and tools 1.5 percentage will make it 0.84. Overhead charges and profit 15 percentage will be 8.49. That is, rate per cubic meter will be 65.12. Then in hard muram, up to 1.5 meter, labor rate will be 125 rupees per cubic meter, that is 125. GST 18 percentage will be 22.50. Sundry 2 percentage will be 2.95. Contingency 3 percentage will be 4.51. Plants and tools 1.5 percentage will be 2.32. Overhead charges and profit will be 23.59. So the net cost per cubic meter will be 180 rupees 88 paise. Then if you are going below 1.5 meter, for every additional 1.5 meter, what will be the labor charges? Labor rate, 1 cubic meter will be 50 rupees. GST 18 percentage on labor is 9 rupees. Sundry is 2 percentage will be 1.18. Contingency 3% will be 1.81. Plant and tools 1.5% will be 0.93. Overhead charges and profit will be 9.44 at the rate of 15%. Rate per cubic meter will be 72.35. Excavation in soft rock and in old concreting foundation. Labor rate will be 155 rupees 30 paisa per cubic meter. GST 18% will be 23.3. Sundries 2% will be 3.57. Contingency 3% will be 5.47. Plant and tools 1.5% will be 2.81. Overhead charges and profit will be 15% will be 28.57. So rate per cubic meter will be 219.01. Then for additional 1.5 meter, what will be the labor charges? Labor rate per cubic meter will be 50 rupees. GST 18% 9 rupees. Then sundries 2% 1.18. Contingency 3% 1.81. Plant and tools 1.5% 0.93. Overhead and charges 15% will be 9.44. So rate per cubic meter will be 72.35. Then excavation in hard rock by blasting. Okay. Only the labor rate. Labor rate per cubic meter will be 216 rupees 30 paise. GST 18% will be 38.93. Sundries will be 2% will be 5.10. Contingency 3% will be 7.81. Plant and tools 1.5% will be 4.02. Overhead charges and profit will be 15% 40.83. So rate per M cube will be 313 rupees. Excavation in hard rock by chiseling. Okay. Labor rate. Only I'm talking about labor rate. Materials and other things will be supplied by the client. Labor rate per cubic meter will be 400 rupees. GST 18% will be 72. Sundries 2% will be 9.44. Contingency 3% 14.44. Plant and tools 1.5% 7.44. Then net rate per cubic meter will be 578.82. Excavation in hard rock by controlled blasting. Labor rate 1 cubic meter will be 450 rupees. GST 18% will be 81 rupees. Sundries 2% will be 10.62. Contingency 3% will be 16.25. Plant and tools 1.5% will be 8.37. Overhead charges and profit 15% will be 84.94. So rate per cubic meter will be 651.7. Now, carting away the material for a 10 kilometer. In one truck, we assume 6 cubic meters material has been considered. Diesel 75 rupees per liter at the rate of 5 kilometers per liter. So it will be 150 rupees. So that means 300 rupees. Truck rental charges for 8 hours will be 1000 rupees. 10 and 15 kilometer per hour. That is 65 rupees. 625. Labor. You require 6 labors for 2 hours. When the truck goes and unload and come back. That is at the rate of 350 rupees for 6 labors, 510. GST 18%, 91.8. Sundries 2% will be 30.54. Contingency 30% will be 46.72. Plant and tools will be for 24.76. Overhead charges 15% 244.22. So rate per cubic meter will be 312.06. Then dewatering charges. So 3 HP pump. Labor rate including pump on the rental basis. Okay, per hour will be 75 rupees. GST 18% labor, that is 13 rupees 50 paise. Sundries 2% will be 1.77. Contingency 3% will be 2.71. Plant and tools 1.5% at the rate of 1.39. Overhead and profit 15% will be 14.16. So rate per cubic meter will be 108. Per hour will be 108.53. By using 5 to 9 HP pumps, labor rate including pump rental charges will be 125 rupees. That is 125 rupees. GST for a labor will be 22.50. Sundries 2% will be 2.95. Contingency 3% will be 4.51. Plant and tools 1.5% will be 2.32. Overhead and profit will be 15% will be 23.59. So rate per hour will be 188.58. From 10 to 19 HP pumps, labor rate including pump rental charges, 1 hour will be 175. GST 18% will be 3150. Sundries 2% will be 4.13. Contingency 3% will be 6.32. Plant and tools 3.25. Overhead and profit charges 15% will be 33.03. So rate per hour will be 253.23. Then filling using the excavated motor. Labor rate per cubic meter 150 rupees. GST 18% at 27. Sundries 2% will be 3.54. Contingency 3% will be 5.42. Plant and tools 1.5%. Here you can ask me why you are using a plant and tools. Because you will be using a pickaxe and everything. So that is the reason. 2.79. Water charges. Why you require a water charges? Because for compacting the muram, you required water. So I added for a water charges also. That will be 2.83. Overhead and profit 15%, 28.74. So rate per cubic meter will be 220.31. Then spreading the soling. It's only a labor rate. I'm not talking about anything in the material rate. Labor rate per cubic meter will be 47.40. Service tax, that is GST 18%, 8.53. Sundries 2% will be 1.12. Contingency 3.17. Plant and tools 1.5%, 0.88. Water charges 0.89. Overhead and profit will be 9.82. So rate per MQ will be 69.32. Then JAMA brick soling. JAMA bricks. That is 50 numbers at the rate of 250 will be 125 rupees. Sand 1 cubic meter, because we don't worry about it. Then wastage is 5% and the bricks will be 6.25. So the cost will be 131.25. In the cost, GST will be 6.56. Labor rate per MQ will be 75 rupees. GST 18% will be 1350. Then others, sundries 2% will be 7.15. Contingency 3% will be 10.94. Plant and tools 1.5%, 5.63. Overhead and profit will be 15%. Then excavation for a reclamation. For approved earth, 1 cubic meter will be 90 rupees. That is 90 rupees. Labor rate per cubic meter will be 45 rupees. Service tax 18%, GST 18%, 8.1. Sundries 2% will be 2.86. Contingency 3% will be 4.38. Plant and tools 1.5% will be 2.26. Water charges 1.5% will be 2.29. Overhead and profit 15%, that is 23.23. Rate per MQ will be 178.72. See, in this presentation, I considered my site rate. The rates will vary according to your site, according to your condition. Because diesel, when I considered 75, because this presentation has been prepared some months back. So you have to correct these rates. Other quantities are all as per IS codes. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link is being provided as below. Thank you for watching this presentation.